Proper installation and maintenance are key to ensuring the longevity and optimal performance of your blackout zebra blinds. Here are some tips to guide you. Professional installation. While it's possible to install blackout zebra blinds yourself, it's often recommended to have them professionally installed to ensure a secure, level, and properly functioning setup. Cleaning and dusting. Gently dust the blinds with a soft, clean cloth or use a vacuum cleaner with a soft bristle attachment to keep them looking their best. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners. Proper cord handling. Be mindful of the cords and avoid pulling or tugging them excessively, as this can damage the mechanism and affect the functionality of the blinds. Periodic adjustments. Over time, the tension in the cords may need to be adjusted to maintain smooth operation. Consult the manufacturer's instructions or a professional for guidance on how to make these adjustments. Seasonal maintenance. Consider giving your blackout zebra blinds a more thorough cleaning and inspection at the start of each season to ensure they continue to perform at their best. Feel free to contact one of our window treatment experts at Diamond Custom Shutters today for more information. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.